Koller is a long-established company. For over 40 years now, we have been manufacturing our products in our original Austrian plant located in Fittis. In 1992, our sister plant in Jindřichův in the Czech Republic went into operation. Our production methods may have changed in many respects. Nevertheless, everything starts small, with details that first have to take shape, with an idea and the people implementing it. We rely on expertise and experience when manufacturing our quality products. When it comes to producing high-quality parts, there is no getting around perfect workmanship and thorough inspections. This is why we also took the electroplating process in our own hands. In our newly installed electroplating line, Koller products are being processed to the desired surface quality. Even external manufacturers avail themselves of our extensive knowledge in this faculty and have their parts refined at our company. We do process their goods as barrel bulk and mounted pieces. The result? A constant performance of production within all working stages. Perfection you can see and touch. It is exactly for this reason that we rely on state-of-the-art technology when it comes to planning, development and manufacturing. We as a supplier know the needs of the Whirlpool market, calling for swiftly available large numbers of units, while additionally banking on state-of-the-art CNC technology that can be modified to specific customer wishes regarding planning and realization. Spatially optimized production halls accelerate the manufacturing process, but in the end, it is our employees' long-term experience in the areas of turning, milling and stamping that makes our production halls the home base of Koller quality. Since our staff members are just as important to us as the environment, we have installed our exhaust air purification system with the most modern specifications possible. The in-house polishing department provides the special surface quality of Koller products. Stainless steel and brass parts are fully automatically produced. The fully automated, specially adapted round-table polishing machine ensures perfect results during grinding, pre-polishing and luster polishing. These successive work steps are individually coordinated by our specialists for each part. But what are the additional features that make an already good product stand out from the competition? Simple. It's the materials and our workmanship. The precision we use in manufacturing every single component and the engineering know-how that have made us the all-round provider of parts we are today. You cannot skimp on tools if you want to manufacture top-quality products. Advanced materials and the complexity of each part call for customized production processes. Just being fast is not enough for us. For our customers' special requirements, we also provide specialized machines. In turn, we always keep our machine pool updated with the latest technical parameters. For customized parts, we provide precision up to 200 mm of length and up to 1/1000th in diameter. Consistent precision in manufacturing is a matter of control. Who strives to excel at the smallest level requires special measuring instruments. Koller therefore relies on tactile and optical measuring methods to be able to measure even the most complex parts for their production accuracy. Three-dimensional scanning is applied for individual parts as well as series production. In order to ensure that measurement results cannot be falsified by temperature differences, our measuring machine is located in a specially air-conditioned room. Thus, results from different production series are comparable at any time. This means documented quality. Koller supplies all components required for Whirlpool designs, both for standard and custom-built models. And we do not limit ourselves to metalworking. On request, we also design and customize our electronic components. So we do all our designing with the end customer in mind, striving to ensure straightforward designs and maximizing ease of operation. Having the technological edge in our segment means a secure market share. Yet, we are constantly researching to be able to offer our customers an additional competitive edge. We also manufacture and continuously refine the electronic components of our Whirlpools ourselves. To meet the legal requirements of the electronics industry, our products are RoHS2 compliant. Soldering under nitrogen atmosphere prevents oxidation already during the soldering process. Modern Whirlpool components are high-tech parts, featuring state-of-the-art technology and are made of superior materials. Ideally, they are also maintenance-free and easy to install. To simplify end production processes, Koller uses plug-in connections, while continuously performing manufacturing inspections to minimize possible defects. An especially high degree of safety is required for electronic components, which is why we test all electronic parts to guarantee 100% of safety and functionality. In global commerce, warehousing capacity is becoming more and more critical. We make sure that you have access to ours at all times. Packaging and dispatching is done in our own logistics center, where we perform additional tests and checks. Building Whirlpools is teamwork, involving both customers and our employees. It goes without saying that a lot of manual work is required until all inspections are completed. Every part is in its place and every bolt fits perfectly. However, we simply wouldn't want it any other way. It is a process in which innovation is driving and shaping the future, where reliability and being true to one's word means everything, where each individual's effort plays an important part in reaching the overall goal. Injection molds are required for manufacturing plastic parts, which is why we have our own in-house mold-making shop. We only use high-quality raw materials for flawless parts that can easily be assembled and installed. We are able to make our large-scale manufacturing of visible components as product-friendly as possible by removing all injection sprues immediately. All products bearing the Koller label represent the culmination of 35 years of Whirlpool engineering expertise. This also explains why you may come across Koller products more often than you might think, because we are producing for many labels of other brands. Our main emphasis is functionality. All of our components are computer designed and optimized for easy assembly. Our focus on tried and tested quality is yet another guarantee for a long service life of Koller products. These benefits are also appreciated by our international customers. We supply products to over 150 countries worldwide, so our logistics system is geared to our customers' needs. And what's more, we speak your language. As a supplier of single parts and elements, We know how much you value simplicity of component integration and intelligent design when it comes to parts you plan to use in your production processes. This is why we supply them ready for installation, assembled and tested, and assembled, ready for use in your product. As a special service, Koller offers its customers special training for their assembly staff, as well as pre-glued installation kits. International customers rely on the Whirlpool system installation know-how and the expertise of Koller, and have their tubs manufactured directly by us. With Koller, you get products that will form the cornerstone of your production and keep what they promise. A partner with a firm grasp on know-how and technology, where every bolt fits perfectly and for whom quality is a promise to you.